Hey guys, in this video, I will be sharing like how exactly you can set up your Meta ad account from scratch if you are just getting started with Facebook ads, Meta ads. Okay, so what I have done is I have prepared like entire document for you. This document is like, by the way, a very old document where I used to put like whatever I learn and whatever things are required to run an agency or being a freelancer and to serve the clients. But now I'm sharing all these knowledge with you so that you guys can, instead of like just jumping from one YouTube video to another or one post to another, directly just start learning it from here and you will get a lot of insights that actually works in the industry. So without wasting any time, let's directly jump into that. So this is the document, and I have like a lot of important document in this document. So this is the document that I was talking about, and in this document, I have like sub documents, and every single document is very, very important, and this will give you the real life case studies and real life implementation of everything. So it starts from basics, the ultimate guide, then we have revenue cost calculator, we have hidden targeting, how exactly you have to target. So these are all the problems that everybody face when they get started with meta ads, but everything is solved. So you just have to like watch this video and you don't have to jump from every other YouTube video to YouTube video or different courses to different courses. So just start implementing this and you will start seeing a lot of results. So in this video we are going to discuss about meta ads, how exactly you have to set up your ad account from scratch if you're just getting started. Okay, launch it clean, and you should avoid ban, run smart, and you won't be having any confusion like if you have missed something or what needs to be done. Okay, so if you do like if you're not following all these things, then Meta might like shadow ban you, rejects your ad, limit your reach, or worse is like shut down your ad account. I do have like few ad accounts with me which I cannot use, and in that I have added funds. In some of the ad account I have like added some 10,000 rupees. Till date I am not able to like recover it, and that ad account is more than a year old now. So these happens like when you do some mistakes that Facebook don't want you to do. Okay, so this video very, very important. So this document I will be sharing in the end of the video, or maybe what you can do is you can just DM me on Instagram or just DM me on LinkedIn. I will be directly sharing this document. Just mention that you want basic setup or something like this, and let's move ahead with the video. So step one, you start creating your business manager. So in this document, I'm just giving you an overview what exactly this document is all about. And once you have this document, you will have like every single thing that what needs to be done and how. So business manager, how exactly you have to create all these information are very, very important. So you fill every information and that's where you get started. And why it matters, everything is mentioned here. Create your Facebook page or connect your Facebook page. If you already have a Facebook page or Instagram page, how you have to connect it, all these steps are mentioned here. But if you do not have, you have to create one. You have to fill in all the details. You should not leave that Instagram page or Facebook page like empty and you start running ads. So Facebook treats your Instagram page and Facebook page as a shop. Okay, so let's suppose you uh, purchased a shop in a mall, or you rented a shop in a mall, Facebook has the mall is Facebook, and Facebook put your advertisement in front of the people like, okay, there is a new shop open in my mall. But when people come to the shop and if they find like there is no post, there is no stories, knowing nothing to engage, like no contact number, anything. So just because you have a lot of people coming and they are not having any good experiences, so this could be one of the reason that Facebook might like ban you. So before you start getting traffic, uh, make sure your pages are like well set up, and in this document that I have already mentioned like what exactly needs to be done. Okay, things to be taken care of and everything. Okay, third step, we create a ad account. Now this is the time when we create a ad account. Okay, So the process to create ad account very simple. Just go to like settings and you have to create ad account. If you want ad account from a client, like if you're working for a client, you can request an access, and how exactly you have to do it. Not explain here, but definitely I will explain in other videos. Okay, then definitely this part is very important. So whenever you are creating ad account, do add a payment method. Okay, and make sure, I would recommend to have like a prepaid fund in that account. Don't leave that account like without any adding some fund. So maybe just leave that account with having like some 500 rupees, but make sure you add funds. Okay, fourth one, important. Now it's not necessary, but definitely I would recommend you to do it. That is like verify your domain. Okay, so on like if it's the website of you, like who is going to run ads on your own website, or it's your client website. So whatever, whichever website is, you should have like full access to that. And either if you know how exactly to do it, so if you have all the access to the website, just verify it. Okay, so you have to just, Meta will give you a tag and you just have to paste that in the header section of your website landing page. Either you're running for landing page, or just put the tag in the landing page, or if you are running a, if you have the complete website, just put that tag on the entire website and domain will get verified. So very important step, so that Facebook doesn't count you as a suspicious activity. Now, step number fifth is create your pixel and data sets. So again, simple step, how exactly you have to create a pixel or data sets, and after installation, how exactly you have to add that as a standard events. So in detail video, definitely everything will be coming later. But if you understand everything like till here, that will be like enough for that. Okay, then again, another thing is setting up the conversion API. So most of the people are not using that, but using this, but definitely this is very important. So make sure you have your conversion API set up. This is not technical thing. Okay, simple steps are already like given in this document, and you can, if you want some videos, I can definitely create some videos, like a short video for this also. Or you can find other videos on YouTube, like just how exactly you have to set up the conversion API. Okay, it will help you a lot. So definitely do not miss it out. Okay. Now, step number six is adding policies to your landing page. So sometimes, like not getting enough reach or ad rejection or shadow ban, this could be because of the simple reason that you do not have these three pages on your landing page or website. Make sure the traffic that you are redirecting from Facebook to um, your website or landing page, they should have like these three pages. Very important. Terms and condition, privacy and policy, disclaimer. Okay, simple format. Just take it from like generators are also there. Just type in like terms and condition generator on Google, and you will simply see a lot of websites are there, like they will like generate them on your behalf. You just have to give some basic information about you and your business. Okay, then once this is done, then you have step number seven, final like everything is done. Okay, so now I have created this checklist. So once everything is done, you just have to check like if you have not missed any of the thing. And in this document we have discussed more about this. So once you are done till here, then we have type of funnels, coach for coaches creators, like group funnels, lead funnels, VSL direct. So this will give you an overview like how exactly you have to get started. Okay, few more points that I have to add here, like let's suppose if you're getting started with meta ads. So some people are like they have some old pages like Instagram or Facebook page, they haven't used it since 6 months or 1 year. That is like just on hold. Okay, and immediately, let's suppose if you get started with the ads, Instagram will directly like ban your account, restrict your account. It will do like, it will, so it acts like a suspicious activity. First of all, whenever you are trying to like send a direct traffic to something like that was non-living from a very long time, Facebook will find like, okay, somehow like how exactly this thing is getting traffic. So before this, what I would recommend is, if your page is not active from past 6 months or 1 year, maybe 3 months also, start posting some content. Okay, do some organic posting, and ask like your friends, family members, just to reach out to that profile or page or post, and like, comment, do some engagement activity, so that it's obvious for Facebook also that not suddenly like people have started coming to this page or profile. Never start with a sales campaign, or always start with a awareness campaign if that page is not active from long. But if you're creating new, similar process. First post for at least a week, do some organic engagement, then start with awareness ad, then you should go for messaging, then branding. Okay, so take 4 to 5 days of gap between like each of the funnel building activity that you are doing. First, you are running like 4 days of engagement, 4 days of this messaging campaign. On third, then you start with leads, then you start with sales campaign. Directly jumping to the sales campaign, and also don't start with a higher budget. I think if you guys already into this field, definitely you should know this. Key, this happens a lot, and Facebook support is, I would say it's a big, big headache. So do not get into that zone ki, okay, I will deal with Facebook ad support if something goes wrong. You have to like go step by step and make sure you are following all the policies and everything. For other things that requires a lot of attention and to get started, or you should not make any mistake. So I will be coming up with more videos like this, ki what exactly needs to be taken care of while you are running meta ads campaign. And definitely in future coming a lot of videos about the strategies, how exactly you have to be profitable, how you have to scale. A lot of things are coming in. So till then, have a happy weekend and goodbye.